Finley traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, taxiing for runway 23 for an overhead departure to Yarrawonga, Finley. Okay, camera. Finley traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, entering and rolling runway 23 for an overhead departure to Yarrawonga, Finley. Okay, right to go. Okay. We have revs, we have airspeed, 50 knots. Well, temperatures and pressures are in the green, and it flew itself.
It didn't it? Yeah, it had those flaps.
Yeah, that's right. Left-hand circuit.
Unless otherwise advised, yes.
Degrees nose up. It's 1,000 feet. I'm going to lower the nose. Get back. I'm going to drop a little bit of power and then turn and stay at 1,500 for this leg. Half. The nose, drop the power a little bit, we're right on line. Trim it. Minute sheet. And melt. And have. Finley traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor departed overhead at 3,500 tracking for Yarrawonga, Finley. Yarrawonga traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor 5 miles to the west at 3,500 tracking for Tocumwal, Yarrawonga. We're going to be coming in direct 2. So if I go OBS, the runway direction's 27.
Yep.
And course .70. That's us. Straight in.
Tell me again how you got it to do.
Go to OBS, and then you set with your course button the runway direction.
79 Delta, was there any turbulence on the way up to 170 or just once you were maintaining?
Tocumwal traffic, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, 10 miles to the east at 3,500, inbound Tocumwal.
4 Sydney runway. Tocumwal Airport. 27 Melbourne Centre, score 3747. Over.
Tocumwal traffic, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, 5 miles to the east at 3,000 on descent to join upwind, runway 27, Tocumwal. We're on 27 left.
A firm. And since it's parallel runways, should you be overhead the left?
Probably. Tocumwal traffic. Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, joining upwind, runway 27, Tocumwal. Okay, I've got 14 knots on the nose, 4 knots across.
Okay.
Tocumwal traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning final, runway 27, Tocumwal. I've got 8 knots from the left. Final stage of flap, 80 knots. $75. $75. $70. Off 65. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, it's all right.
Good night.